Hi y'all. Oh my gosh, I feel like it has been forever since I filmed a video, and it's probably only been like a week or two, but I'm so happy we're back. And welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Rock Natro. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and let's get into this video. Okay, so after my 2018 product video, I decided that I was going to do monthly favorites. So I purchased, sadly, I purchased a lot of products, I meant, throughout the month. I purchased a lot of things in general. So I actually want to make this just like a combo of things. This first month is actually just going to be beauty products, but in the future I'm hoping to do like clothes and other things I buy as I continue to decorate my apartment. I'm going to be showing you my 5. I'm only going to be doing 5, so I want to keep it small and I don't want to feel like I'm just rambling on, but I'm going to be showing you my 5 favorite products from January. Okay, let me tell you. I'm going to be starting with the beauty products. So the first product is the Shea Moisture body lotion. So let me tell you about this. So I know you can tell by this brand, there's like a deep conditioner that smells just like this, and I was like, yum, I love that deep conditioner. I love the way it smells. So I decided to go ahead and purchase the body lotion, and I couldn't be more excited. Like, I mean, seriously, it smells so good. It moisturizes my skin so well, and I just love the combination. So this has mango butter and green coffee bean extract, and it also says that it's contouring, firming, and smoothing. I would say so far, since I've only been using it for about 2 weeks now since I bought it, I would definitely say it's smoothing. And my skin stays so small, or stays so smooth. I'm just so excited, I can't even talk. And so I will have to update you sometime in the future about whether it's contouring and firming. So I'm really trying to take better care of my skin. So I also decided to get the Shea Moisture olive green tea bath body and massage oil. So this is perfect for to put in your bath, or to use after you get out your bath. I've been using it when I get out the bath and put a little bit in my bath. On Sundays I like to take baths, and so I've been adding this to it. And what I love about this is that it's anti-aging and it's ultra moisturizing. And then it also has the avocado and green tea, and those are like 2 of my favorite things. I always drink green tea and I always eat avocados, okay? Now that's all for the body products. I'm actually going to be moving on to the makeup products now. And one of my current favorites is this Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. So before I purchased this product, I used to use the e.l.f. plumping lip, and I loved it because it gave my lips this little tingle, and I knew it was working. And so the first time I used this, I put it on and I was like, what is it doing? Like, I don't feel the tingle like I like. And I was really, you know, questioning it at first, and then the tingle kicked in. So what it does, it moisturizes your lips at first, and then it starts to plump it, and so you see instant results. And I just love, because I like to plump my lips. I like to scrub my lips. So important for like makeup looks, depending on what you're doing, to have your lips on point. And so this is so handy, and I just love it. If you haven't tried it, be sure to get it. I do think it was a little bit on the pricier side, but it's worth the investment. And I would say like a little goes a long way. So I actually got the travel size, which was still expensive. I think it was still like 15 bucks, but if you can afford the full size, get the full size. When I bought it, I just wanted to test it out to see if I was really feeling it, and I will be purchasing the full size bottom. Moving on. Next is this Smashbox Radiance primer. And so I want to start by saying I personally have oily skin. What I love about this product is that it says it's for normal to dry skin. So it's great for my clients that I like to put on my clients before to give them that natural glowy look. But for me, if I don't want to wear makeup and I just really want my skin to be glowy, obviously I do have my like natural oil, but I use other products to kind of combat my oil. So I will use this as just a regular product to put on my face before, if I don't want to wear any makeup but I want to have like this natural glow. So it's like perfect for summer. Obviously summer's not happening yet, but this product comes in handy for sure because I like to have my skin glowy, and I prefer to use some type of product if that is an option. So I love this primer. Be sure to check it out if you have more dry skin and you're looking for a natural glow underneath your foundation. You may remember the video when I used this for the first time. I was like trying a new product. So this is the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. If you haven't seen my video where I talk about and use this product for the first time, be sure to check it out in the description below. I like this product and it's like the perfect color. So I have a couple other products that are sand colored and I feel like they don't really work for my skin, or like the color isn't what I actually need. But this product is like the perfect consistency. A little goes a long way. It blends really smoothly. I actually have it on right now underneath my eyes and on my T-zones, and it's just like the perfect color and I love it. So I have this one and the contour color, which I use on and off. I just switch up when I'm bronzing or contouring my face, I switch up those products so much. But if I find a staple concealer under the eye product, I am using it every single time I do my makeup. So it's this one for now until I find the next best thing. All right, well, that is all of my favorite products from January, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you're excited to see what products I'm going to be talking about in February, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on that video or other videos I will be posting. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below on which products you are going to be trying or looking forward to trying or have tried before. And I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!